Hello, this is Kerry King of Global Business Mentoring, and thank you for joining me on this video. I've spent 20 years in public practice working with hundreds of small and medium enterprises with turnovers from 500,000 per year to 20 million, showing them how to improve the profit and cash flow in their businesses. During that period, I've used some of the most well-known and sophisticated software packages and consulting tools available to our profession. In 2010, I realised that most of the tools I was using were overkill in terms of what most practitioners needed to provide sound business advice to their clients. That's when I decided to teach other practitioners the basic skills of providing sound business advice to their clients, using simple tools that did not need hours and hours of training and practice to learn based on my years of experience in commerce and in public practice. Here are some of the business I've worked with. Perhaps you'll know one or two. And here are some of the practitioners and financial controllers I've either worked with or who have attended my training workshop and are users of my business advisor tools. You may know some of them. Today we're talking about Business Analyzer, and this is just a brief introduction of what Business Analyzer is. Business Analyzer is a Microsoft Excel-based integrated software package used by accountants in either public practice or working as a CFO in business. Its purpose is to allow the user to determine and set appropriate profit improvement and financial management strategies in a business, simply, easily, and fast. Business Analyzer also provides 2 one-page reports on working capital outcomes and the additional cash requirements to fund growth in a business. Let's take a look. This is the home page of Business Analyzer, and to access the models and reports in Business Analyzer, we simply use the Open button. This takes us directly to the instructions page where there are a number of items. Top right hand corner are just some navigation buttons, one for saving the file, one for the printing of the particular page, and an exit, which will take you back to the home page. But also there is a quick link navigation bar to navigate directly to the various models and reports. And there are a few other notes about data entry and a couple of the models, but these are more broadly covered in the detailed user guide. Let's take a quick look at Profit Explorer. This model is used to determine profit improvement strategies and set targets for a business. There are a number of features of it. We won't go into any great detail in this particular video. We'll save that for another. But there is a set of activation buttons in the top right-hand corner. And on the left-hand side are where the numbers show up. And there's also a chart in there to show differences between original profits and the revised profit. This particular model happens to be the manual model. It says so in the title bar just at the top. But there is also an automatic import version, and this auto button takes us there. And the model looks exactly the same, except there is this button called import. And that's simply to bring the financial data across from one of the other models, Financial Analyzer, and it saves data entry and it automatically populates. There are some profit improvement scenario buttons as well, which is just 1% improvement, 5% and 10%, and that refers to the profit drivers in the business. And there are a couple of utility buttons at the bottom for setting of data, resetting of data and clearing of data. But we'll cover all of those in a later video. It also has the print button, and here's how it works. Just simply brings up the print preview screen, and you can print from there. But there's also a back button in the top right hand corner here, which takes us back to the instructions page so that you can access the other models. This is the Financial Analyzer model. It has data already keyed in. Profit and loss data is at the top and balance sheet data is in the lower half. On the left and right hand side you can see it's already been populated. Other various key ratios and financial management ratios that you require when you're analysing a business, and we'll touch on all of those in a later video. This also has the print button, so you can print out the report at any time. And it also has the back button up here in this top right hand corner to take us back to the instructions page. We'll take a quick look at Ratio Analyzer, and here it is. It's already populated directly from the Financial Analyzer model. Financial data on the top and analysis on the bottom. It too has the print button, same thing to the print preview page, and the back button to take us back to the instructions page. And lastly, the Cash Flow Analyzer. Financial data on the top, already pre-populated, no need to enter data there, and the analysis on the bottom. Again, the print button and a back button. And that pretty well summarises how Business Analyzer functions. Very simple, but very powerful at the same time. So it's quite simple to operate, it's very easy to learn, and you'll be punching numbers out like nobody's business fast. And the exit button on the home page will simply close the file. If you'd like to use Business Analyzer and build profit improvement and financial management strategies with your clients, simply click on the Buy Now button on the website. Right now you'll also get a bonus, a free one-on-one online training session. I hope you found the content of this video useful. If you'd like to learn more about Business Analyzer, take a look at the video below, where I demonstrate how the Profit Explorer model works. I look forward to you joining me in our next video. This is Kerry King, signing off.